Hey guys, Silva here. Now, very quick video and update on a product called NeuraRephraser, which I reviewed 6 days ago. Okay guys, this is not a review. If you wish to watch my review on that product called again NeuraRephraser, I will drop the link to my review in the description box below this video. But I just want to share with you a quick update because I have, both received like a Facebook notification from the vendor, one of the vendors of this product, okay, and an email with an important update and an exciting update, and I thought it's a must to let you know so you don't miss out on it. So if you have already purchased this product, if you have got it from me, thank you so much. Okay, that sold quite well for me, and I'm very happy, especially that I was so proud to promote it. It's a phenomenal paraphrasing tool, okay, AI based, but with a strong human touch to it, okay. Well, it's one tool, but you're looking at this tool right now on the screen, okay, but it comes with 11, okay, tools really. Each of them comes with a unique spin and style to it. So it just spins the content and it's like, it ticks off the plagiarism checker boxes. So the content comes out unique and original. So it's a fantastic tool. So the update is that, I was also chatting with Matt Garrett, the vendor, and he said like today is the last day of the launch. So today we have the 8th of September, yeah. So at midnight, guys, so important important information at midnight today. Okay, midnight New York time, the 8th of September. The price of this tool will jump from $27 a year, is a yearly subscription. However, there will be an OTO number 1, which you can get, and that's a lifetime buyout, so-called buyout, okay. Otherwise, if you prefer to pay yearly, you can. So it's only $27 a year till today, midnight. And then from Saturday morning, the price will jump from 27 to 29 a year. And then on Monday, so you still have a few days to pick it up at the discounted price. So on Monday it will jump to 47 a year. Okay, so it's really like if you want to buy it, the time is now, especially that they will be adding this add-on called it's like I'll double check what's the name of it, but what this add-on basically does, it translates the content into 25 languages, guys. Okay, not just translates, but also preserves the linguistic and the cultural norms of those languages. So they will be it will be added as an add-on from tomorrow, so it's going to be like offered to you as one of the upsells. However, until today, guys, okay, until today midnight, if you buy it by midnight, the 8th of September, I wish to emphasize it because it's important, you will get this add-on free. Okay, so let me just show you the info that I got from Matt Garrett. I received an email from him as well. So, I'll show you what he says in the email. It's basically the same whatever he shares in his Facebook message, via his group. But yeah, do take a note of the fact that tomorrow, Saturday, the price will be going up to $29 a year, okay, and then all the way up to 47 on Monday. So, again, the time to buy it is really now to take advantage of the dime sale, really. Okay, so that's the add-on, guys. So they say that the go globally with the NeuraRephraser add-on, okay, from tomorrow. And now, you know, some of the buyers have already, some of the new members have requested the ability to generate content in different languages. So the, you know, Matt says they listened, and, you know, they made sure that the prompt master, the software developer, you know, is working hard for it to get it sorted by tomorrow, okay? And it will be, and then they will be releasing this NeuraRephraser cultural nuance translator paid add-on. Okay, so it's going to be a new add-on from tomorrow that you will be able to purchase, okay? So from tomorrow, you'll need to pay for it. However, if you do buy this software by today, by midnight, the 8th of September, okay, midnight New York time, this add-on will be free for you. So you will have it added into your onto your subscription, your yearly subscription. And again, there's a OTO number 1, which is a lifetime buyout. Okay. So, yeah, they say, but everyone who buys this during the launch, so till today, midnight, they get it free. Okay, so what this add-on does, guys, is, you know, in short, it will translate text while preserving the original intent and adapting the linguistic and cultural norms of the target language, with 25 languages covered. So they say with the NeuraRephraser, the world isn't just your oyster, it's your marketplace. So the added languages will be Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, English, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, Urdu, and Vietnamese. Okay. So that's pretty impressive. And yeah, definitely. So this is the tool, guys. If you wish to watch my review on it, I did release my review 6 days ago. Okay, watch my review. You will find it. Anyway, I'll attach the link to my review in the description below this video. Okay, guys. And with this, like, you know, product, I mean, with this launch, I also give you some super cool bonuses, which I'm not going to, you know, talk about now because it's really like an update video. If you wish to find out about my bonuses, go watch my review. And yeah, that's the sales page, and I will attach the link to the sales page also below this video. Okay, so go check it out. And yeah, they did add this information here that as you can see, the countdown, you know, once it hits 0, this add-on will be paid. Okay, so in 18 hours, something from now on, you will have to pay for this add-on to the translation of 25 languages. And remember, it's not just the translation, because as they call it, it's the cultural nuance translator, because it preserves the linguistic and cultural norms of the specific language, of the target language. And that's pretty uniqueness. Like, you know, like you have some idioms, phrases, which are not, if you were to translate an idiom or like a phrase from one language to another, very often it would just make no sense. For example, in English we say to make a mountain of a molehill, right? Yeah, okay. In Polish, in my language, we have, what do we say? I know in German they say to make an elephant out of an ant. In Polish, you see, I forgot what it says, how this idiom translates into my like native mother tongue. Okay, I've lived in London for too long. Something to make something from a needle. I forgot the word. Okay, so something giant, like a spade or something like that. Okay, out of a needle. No, like a fork. You know, this big fork. I don't know. I forgot that word. But yeah, totally different words, totally different phrases. So what this tool does, it translates into how you say it in that target language. So that's the beauty of it. Alright, so guys, that's it. Like, go check out the sales page. I'm not gonna cover it now. The sales page is beautiful, to the point. You have plenty of, useful bits of information on it. It just describes the product, nicely. It says what it is, to the point. And yeah, and that's it. You still have a few hours to pick it up at the discounted price, the launch price, plus you're getting the free CNT add-on, so it's Cultural Nuance Translator. Okay, so it's included still. Alright, yeah, it has sold pretty well, this product. I was like, it has logged me out by this product, but these guys called Prompt Core Dynamics, and I believe they have really sold well. I don't know why it's not logging me in, but yeah, let me check it now, how many sales they made. And, whoever has bought it, the new members, 500 plus, wow, that's good. And it's still at $27 a year, okay? So happy feedback, happy reviews from the buyers. People love it, and I love the fact that they, listen, as they said, we listened, okay? Because some of the new members ask for this add-on. So I love how they act on, the buyers' requests. So, good vendors, good support, guys, quality products. Go pick it up, take advantage of this free add-on and the discounted price up until today, midnight, New York time. Alright, guys, and my bonuses, of course, if you buy it from me. Okay, guys, love you and leave you, and see you soon.